Hi everyone, this is Easy Math. Now we'll see class 7 integers exercise 1.5. We'll continue with question number 6. Up to 5th we have finished already. Now we'll see question number 6. Let us read the question first. What it is? Add 2 to me. Then multiply by 5 and subtract 10 and divide now by 4. And I will give you 15. Who am I? We have to find somebody is giving us what? Add to. What do you mean by add to? So here it is simplification of integers involving all the four operations. Add to me. What is add? Plus. We have to add to with the given number. 2 to me we know. Who am I? We have to find who am I? We don't know that. Who is that? We don't know. So that one is unknown. We don't know that number. With that we have to add 2. Then after adding, that answer has to be multiplied by 5. Then after multiplying from that, we have to subtract 10. Then after subtraction, we have to divide by 4. And then you will get I will give you 15 means that answer is 15. So it is like an equation. We have write it as an equation. And there is who am I? We don't know who is that. But for that person, we have to find out. So we don't know that person. So that will take it as x. That number, given number will be who am I? We'll take this person as x. Okay. Now I've written the operations here. With the person, with them, with him, we don't know who is he. So we'll take it as x. So it is in algebra. We have learned introduction last year. Whichever the value, unknown values, to denote the unknown values, we use the English alphabets from A to Z. Then we'll form the equation and find that unknown. So we'll take that unknown as person as x. Then what we have to do with that? Add to. What is the meaning of adding to? Plus 2. Okay, we've added. Then what's the next one? Multiply by 5. After adding, this answer has to be multiplied by 5. If you simply put here into 5, then it means you are multiplying only 2 into 5. But after adding this sum, this addition of these two numbers with that person, that unknown person, add 2. After adding, that answer has to be multiplied by 5. So x plus 2 into 5. We have to put bracket and 5. Then only the sum of these two numbers is multiplied by 5. Okay, we multiplied. Then subtract 10. From this answer, we have to subtract 10. Sign of subtraction, minus. Then divide by 4. This whole answer, entire expression has to be divided by 4. Then I will give you 15. What is the meaning of I will give you 15? Means the answer is 15. When you do all this addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, you will get the answer as 15. Now this is called an equation. We have to solve because we have two sides. Left hand side and right hand side, there is equal to sign. So we have to solve and find the unknown value. This person, who am I? That person is x. We have to find him. So we'll solve one by one. Operation one by one we'll solve. And we'll have this x on the left hand side and we'll find this person. Okay. So what is the first one to be taken to the other side is this 4, denominator 4. So when you change the sides, left hand side and right hand sides, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, and division changes to multiplication. So by 4 is division. It is given divide by 4. When you take it to the other side, it will become into, and write rest of the things as it is. Only one operation in one step. Already we have 15 on the right hand side. Divided by 4, when it goes to the other side, it becomes into 4. Okay, now what do you have on the left hand side now? There is a bracket. Let us remove the bracket. See, it is here. We are using distributive property. What is distributive property we learnt? We learnt A into B plus C means what it is? A into B plus A into C. Same thing we have here. This is A into B plus C. So what do? A into B. 5 into X, 5X. Then this plus as it is. Then 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. See, bracket is removed. Then after that what we have? Minus 10 equal to 15 4s are. Multiply 4 5s are 20. Write 0, carry 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now look at this here. Plus 10 and minus 10. What happens? Plus 10 and minus 10. That is 10 minus 10. It is 0. So what is left? We have only 5x on the left hand side equal to 60. Now this x is only the unknown person. We have to find x. We'll keep only x here. Who am I? Question is who am I? That person is x. So we'll find x. Take all the other numbers to the right hand side. What do you have on the right hand side? 60. Now what is the operation between 5 and x? When there is no operation is mentioned, it is multiplication. 5x means it is 5 into x. So as division changed to multiplication here, multiplication will change into division. It will becomes by 5. Now 60 divided by 5. Let us cancel by 5 tables. 5 ones are 5. And here till 6 comes. 5 ones are 5. After 5, see it is 5 ones are 5. This 1 is a quotient. After 5, you count till 6. After this 5, 6. The remainder is 1. And what to do with the remainder? You carry over with the next number. So it becomes 10. So till 5 tables till you get 10. 5 2s are 10. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. So who am I? Who is that person? What is the value of that person? He is 12. That number is, the unknown person is 12. This is how, using the given condition, we have to form the equation. Then take the numbers, whatever we have to find, the unknown value, only keep the on the left hand side and take all the other operations, other numbers one by one to the right hand side. You get the answer. Okay. Now question number 7. Kamachi, a fruit vendor, sells 30 apples and 50 pomegranates. So she is a fruit seller, fruit vendor. She is selling fruits. She is selling 30 apples and 50 pomegranates. If she makes a profit of rupees 8 per apple, she's getting a profit. What do you mean a profit? Gain. She's gaining. That is, she is selling for more money than for what she bought the apples. So she is getting a profit of rupees 8 per apple. What do you mean by per apple? For one apple. And loss rupees 5 per pomegranate. While selling the pomegranates, she is losing 5 rupees per pomegranate. Per means for one pomegranate. What will be her overall profit or loss? So she is selling 30 apples, and for one apple she is getting a profit of 8 rupees 8. So what is the profit for 30 apples? We have to find. Then she is selling 50 pomegranates and she is losing 5 rupees for one pomegranate. Then we have to find what is the total loss she is getting for all the 50 pomegranates. So let us write statement and do this sum. Apples. How many apples she is selling? 30 apples. And what is the profit she is getting for an apple? Rupees 8. So for one, per means one. One apple, 8 rupees profit. Therefore for 30 apples, we know for one apple, we have to find for many apples. 1 to many. What is the operation? It is multiplication. Yes, 30 into 8. Multiply. How to multiply this? Just multiply 3 8s are. 3 8s are 24 and this 0. So rupees 240, she is getting a profit on apples. Okay, by selling apples. Now let us see for pomegranates. Pomegranates, 50 pomegranates she is selling. And what is the loss? For rupees 5 for one pomegranate. She is losing 5 rupees for one pomegranate. So what is the loss for 50 pomegranates? We know for one, you have to find for many. Again it is multiplication. The total loss on pomegranates is 50 into 5. Same wages, 5 5s are 25 and put the 0. So rupees 250. Rupees 250 loss on pomegranates. Now we have to find overall profit or loss. And this profit, already we have studied in the introduction itself. Whenever you studied integer, profit is positive and loss is negative. Height is positive and depth, when you go down, it is negative. Then right side positive, left side negative. Same way, profit is positive and loss is negative. So profit means it is, when you denote it as an integer, profit 240 becomes plus 240. And when it is a loss, it becomes minus 240. When she is getting a loss of 250 rupees, means it is, when you write as an integer, it is minus 250. Now overall, what do you mean by overall? Overall, the total means it is addition of these two. Whatever she got with apples and whatever she got with pomegranates, add them both. So with apples, it is plus 240 and with pomegranates, it is minus 250. So what happens? Signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So 250 minus 240 is 10 rupees. Sign of the greater number is negative. So she is getting minus 10 rupees. When it is negative, what it is? Loss. If your answer is positive, then we say she got a profit. But it is minus 10, therefore it is loss. So what she's getting at the end, both together, both apples and pomegranates together, she's getting profit or loss? It is negative. So she's getting a loss of rupees 10 in the overall transaction. Okay. Okay, I hope you all have understood these two sums. We'll stop this video with this, and next two sums we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.